So darling, tell us where we are.
We are on the Promenade Planty or the Coulee Vert. So we're on a high line, an old disused train line that's been converted into a beautiful, that goes for about 4.5 kilometres, I think.
It's just
elevated above
stunning.
the street. Sorry.
It's just stunning, isn't it?
Oh, it's gorgeous, and the flowers are blooming because we're here at the right time, and it's just beautiful. Trees, shrubs, flowers.
Look at this.
What a great spot to do it.
Oh no, that's what I did today.
Yeah.
Oh darling, what do you think of this?
This is magnificent.
Look at the colours.
Flowers just blooming.
And
Sneezing. It's great.
you're snoozing. I was just about to mention that. The pollen is just, is it pollen?
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. Smells
Floral aromas. I mean, oh wow.
This is a must do, honestly. A must do.
It really is. Look at this. It goes in between a building.
Is this the one or is there a couple of them?
I think there might be a couple.
Yeah, because it looked different.
Yeah, it did. A couple of police on their bikes. 4 of them. Pretty good vantage point.
Well, this is one of the reasons why you love Paris. Look at the structures, look at the buildings there. Is that just amazing? I know.
What a great thing to do.
And flowers, I mean the mixture of flowers, and now there's bamboo.
Yeah.
We'll move over with this girl. Halfway along, we walked down to one of the little arrondissements to have lunch and have a look at one of the oldest markets in Paris. Sorry?
Isn't this lovely?
It's gorgeous, isn't it? So, darling, where are we today?
Wow, today we've moved on to our 12th arrondissement adventure. We're doing the Coulee Vert. We've just stepped off the Coulee Vert to come down for a coffee. And we're in a little local bar to back coffee joint.
It's a great little bar and they're all playing Keno.
Yeah.
It seems to be the Keno central place.
Yep.
And it's really, it's really local, isn't it?
Yeah, we've just stumbled across one of those little local markets that they have that pop up in the street where they just block the street off, and today's fruit and veg day. You seem to have lots of stalls along the street. It's great.
It's fantastic. So that's the 12th arrondissement. Wow. Wow, fruit and veg is gorgeous.
It does.
Pardon.
And you wanted to come here, darling, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. Marché It's one of the oldest markets in Paris. Indoor and outdoor.
Well, we've ticked off a couple of items in one visit, haven't we? That was fantastic, darling. What an adventure.
I know. Came to do the Coulee Vert.
Come to do the what? What's it called?
The Coulee Vert, or the plant promenade. The abandoned train line that's been turned into a beautiful above ground garden.
And a perfect place to stop because here you get off and you come all of a sudden into the, what was it, the 12th arrondissement?
Yeah, the 12th arrondissement.
Which is one of the oldest, the markets are just here. It's got one of the oldest markets in Paris. It was just fantastic, a real local experience. Now we bought some lunch. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
We're going to go back up to the abandoned railway line.
Exactly.
You're loving this, aren't you? You are loving this.
Blueberries it on the step.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Very cool.
Okay, we've come to another section where the path splits and there's a pond in the middle with goldfish. Oh, this is just immaculate. I've said it 100 times, this is a must-do.
Yeah.
It really is a must-do.
Fantastic. Artwork,
Artwork, look at this.
architecture.
Look at the buildings. The walk goes through the middle of those two buildings. Just gorgeous. Darling, are you happy?
I'm very happy. This is great. I'm loving this.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
It really is.
Kathleen just mentioned, and it's a really great idea. After you've seen a few things, done a bit of sightseeing, instead of getting in the tube, all those people coughing, crowded up, people over the PA saying, "Be careful of your bag, there's pickpockets." Take a 40-minute walk and walk through the streets. You get to see what's going on in the local neighbourhoods, and it's absolutely fascinating. So if you like this video, what do, darling?
Here's the thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button.
See you in the next one.